Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. During the recording of episode 13, T-Trak module assembly and layout update, I had an accident where a module fell off a chair and got damaged. During today's episode, I'm going to repair the station platform roof that got damaged. Unfortunately, not everything went as planned today. The Walther's kit that I used for the station came with 8 platforms. I only used 3, so I had plenty of spare parts. I needed 8 replacement uprights, so I cut out 9 to be sure. The first step was moving all of the damaged uprights. The most difficult part of this process was removing the wires for the LEDs that I had glued to the uprights. Since the cleanup was taking a long time, I decided to start painting the uprights so that they could dry as I worked on the cleanup. There was a lot of scraping with an X-Acto knife to get all of the old glue, paint, and plastic removed so I had a clean surface to begin assembly. Assembly of the new uprights went relatively quickly. While I had the plastic cement out, I also repaired the bumper at the end of the siding. After assembly, I touched up the painting. While reinstalling the roof, I did break one of the uprights, but luckily I had painted 9 of them so I had a spare. I tested the LEDs and to my surprise, everything was still working. Since the day was going well, I decided to add some ground covering. I'm using some blended up leaves that I collected last fall. I added some matte Mod Podge, then sprinkled on the blended leaves. After drying, I used a brush to remove the excess and vacuumed it up. I did not save the excess leaves as I collected a lot more than I could use on my layouts. Feeling good about the success of the day, I went to take my thumbnail photo. It was at this moment that I noticed the uprights on my other platform were all damaged. Along with working on the module today, I also cleaned up my workspace, which is a sit-stand desk. When raising the desk to the storage height, I did not realize that the newly installed microphone had crushed the other platform roof. One step forward, one step backwards. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.